Hey guys, I'm Araujo, and in this video of mine I'm going to show you all how to make a light sensor on a breadboard. I would also like to thank all those who have subscribed to my channel. Thanks a lot guys, you all really keep me motivated. Okay, so a light sensor basically detects the presence of light in a room. If you'll notice, whenever I cover the LDR, the LED goes off and vice versa. So now let us learn about the names of the pins of the transistor. So when the flat side of the BC507 transistor is facing you, that time the first pin is the collector, the center pin is the base, and the third pin is the emitter. Now place the BC507 transistor on the breadboard with the flat side facing you. Now connect a wire from the emitter to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now connect the 330 ohm resistor from the base of the BC507 transistor to the negative rail of the breadboard. Okay, so now let's connect the LED. Connect the anode, that is the positive side of the LED, to a blank space on the breadboard, and the cathode, that is the negative side of the LED, to the collector of the BC507 transistor. Now connect the light dependent resistor, the LDR, from the base of the BC57 transistor to a blank space on the breadboard. Now all you have to do is connect two wires. One wire goes from the anode of the LED to the positive side of the breadboard, and the other wire goes from the LDR to the positive side of the breadboard. Okay, so now just check if everything is intact and all your connections are proper. There shouldn't be any loose connections. Okay, I guess my LED is not glowing because there's inadequate light falling on the LDR. So I'll use a torch. So now you can see when the light is falling on the LDR, that time the LED is glowing. I'll just replace a blue LED in place of this white LED so y'all can see better and clearly. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot guys. Have a great day.